Thank you. Yeah. Here. It's heavy, huh? Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you. That one's heavy. Here, how about I'll get this one. Oh, is your little hand stuck?
Wants to climb on it. Be great if he could put them in the cabinets too.
Thank you. Thank you.
That one doesn't come out.
That doesn't come out, but maybe this? Could you help me with that? Do you think you could? Here. Is that easier?
Oh, oh. Oh, apparently that part does come out then.
No, I think it just lifts.
Oh.
Thank you.
Evan.
That's a flower. See the flower? Yeah, a flower.
Evan. Hey.
This doesn't come out, sweetie. This stays. It's stuck. See?
Dada. Dada.
What can I do to help you? I'll hold it. I'll hold it. What's going on? Not as interesting as the dishwasher.
Oh, it's tricky down there. What are you going to do about that? Dada.
You can get it. Do you want that? You should go get it.
Dada.
Daddy's right there. He'll make sure.
Evan. Hey. Hey. All right.